The following is a video tutorial for EdgeBio's newest dye terminator removal product, Optima DTR 8-well strip. Optima DTR 8-well strip is a new format of her dye terminator removal product that was developed specifically for low to medium throughput users. Optima 8-well strip is based on a novel, fully hydrated gel filtration matrix that removes unincorporated reaction components, including big dye terminators, both V1.1 and V3.1, DNTPs, salts, and buffers similar to our Performa DTR cartridges and Optima DTR plates. The main components of the kit are a foil pack with 12 8-well strips and a 96-well plate holder. The hydrated resin contains no hazardous chemicals or preservatives. All of the wells in each individual strip are covered with a clear plastic sealer. The kit also includes two flat-bottom 96-well waste plates. This plate is used during the first spin to catch the excess hydrating liquid that is removed to minimize dilution of the DNA sequencing products. This plate can be reused multiple times. The final component is the V-bottom 96-well collection plate. This plate is used during the second spin to collect the purified DNA sequencing products, and two plates are included in the kit. Inside the box, you will find one foil pack with 12 8-well strips and a 96-well plate holder, labeled with a lot number, expiration date, and storage conditions. Two flat-bottom 96-well waste plates, which are used to catch the hydrating liquid during the first spin. Two V-bottom 96-well sample collection plates, which serve as a receiver for the purified DNA sequencing products during the second spin. One 8-well balancing strip, which serves to balance your centrifuge when spinning an uneven number of strips. And finally, a product summary sheet, which contains detailed instructions about how to use the product, along with how to calculate RCF to RPM conversions. You can also visit our website to use our online converter. Optima DTR 8-well strips are also available as a refill version that does not include the waste plates and collection plates. The protocol for Optima DTR 8-well strips involves a few simple steps with a total processing time of 7 to 10 minutes. The first step merely involves removing the 8-well strip holder from the foil package. Retain the foil package to store the unused 8-well strips. Next, remove the desired amount of 8-well strips from the holder and place them into the 96-well flat-bottom waste plate starting at column 1. Peel back the clear plastic sealer from the top of the 8-well strip. Do not remove the adhesive sealer from the bottom of the plate holder. At this point, place the 8-well strip and flat-bottom plate into the centrifuge and balance. Spin at 850 Gs for 3 minutes. The first spin removes excess hydrating liquid from the columns and further compacts the gel resin. If you need to perform the conversion from RCF to RPM, click on the link above for our online converter. It is important to balance the centrifuge to prevent damage to personnel and equipment. Please ensure that you check the weight and balance tolerance of your centrifuge model. If using only one 8-well strip, use our flat-bottom waste plate with the 8-well balancing strip placed in column 1. If using an even number of 8-well strips, then place an equal number of strips into each flat-bottom waste plate and run the strips opposite to each other. You will see that after the first spin, the resin in the columns has compressed down slightly with the uniform resin height from column to column, which is essential for use with the multi-channel pipetter. Remove the 8-well strip from the flat-bottom waste plate and place it into the corresponding column of the collection plate. Load the sequencing reactions in the center of the wells and place the plate with the 8-well strips into the centrifuge and spin at 850 Gs for 5 minutes. Balance the 8-well strips as in the previous centrifugation step. During the second spin, the DNA sequencing products pass through the column, and any small molecules less than 20 bases in length are trapped in the resin. After the second spin, you can see that there is an even volume of eluate recovered. Generally, you will see an increase of 1 to 4 microliters of the input volume. Transfer the purified sample from the V-bottom collection plate to a semi-skirted capillary plate for sequencing. You now have purified products that are ready to be sequenced without the need for high diformamide or any other reagents. The sample in the semi-skirted capillary plate can now be loaded directly into an ABI Prism sequencer. The capillary plates are available from EdgeBio in quantities of 25 as catalog number 13506. Cover the portions of the 96-well plate holder where 8-well strips were removed with an EdgeBio plate sealer. Plate sealers are available in quantities of 100 as catalog number 48461. Ensure that all unused 8-well strips in the holder are returned to the foil package. Sealed and stored at 4 degrees Celsius. Please discard all used strips to avoid confusion. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you are interested in our products or would like to request a free sample, please visit us online at edgebio.com or contact us at customerservice@edgebio.com.